This tutorial will demonstrate how to download the EBB exam software. Once you are logged into the portal, click on the tab marked Departments. Scroll down to Information Technology and Audiovisual Services. Next, scroll down to the EBB Instructions for Using Electronic Blue Book. Pick the appropriate download based on your operating system. Next, go to the Downloads folder on your computer. Open the zip file marked Electronic Blue Book. Launch the installer. Click Yes, and the installer will launch. Now, EBB should be on your system.